Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Star Academy. Today we will explore two commonly confused words in English. These are off and off. Though they may seem similar, they have very different meanings and uses. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to distinguish between them and use each one correctly in your writing and speaking. The first question is, what does of mean? Of is a preposition. It shows belonging, origin, and what something is made of. The word of is a preposition, which means it links nouns or pronouns with other words in a sentence. It often shows relationships like possession, origin, or the material of which something is made. For example, the cover of the book shows that the cover belongs to the book. When we say a man of courage, indicates that the man possesses courage. And when we say a cup of tea, tells us what the cup contains. What does of mean? Of is usually an adverb or a preposition. It means away from, not on, or to remove. Off is very different from off. It's often used as an adverb or a preposition and typically means away from, not on, or to remove. For example, when we say turn off the lights, means to remove or disconnect lights from being on. When we say she fell off the chair, means she was on the chair and then moved away from it. And when we say take your shoes off, means to remove your shoes. Whenever you hear off, think about something being separated, removed, or distant from a position. Now, there is an exercise for you. Read the sentences and use the correct word of or off. And after that, you will see the correct sentences on the screen. He took his jacket off. Here, off indicates removing the jacket. In the second sentence, the capital of France is Paris. Here, off shows the relationship between Paris and France. She is proud of her achievements. Of connects pride and achievements. The lid of the jar is missing. Off indicates that the lid belongs to the jar. Turn off the alarm before leaving. Off suggests stopping the alarm. Of is a preposition that connects things, showing relationship, belonging, or origin. On the other hand, of is an adverb or preposition that typically means separation or removal. Understanding these differences will greatly improve your writing and speaking. Keep practicing, and soon you will be using of and off with confidence. Keep practicing and sharing your knowledge with your friends. Here is an exercise for you at the end of this video lesson. Pause the video and write the answers in the comments below. Keep watching us for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching it. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks once again. Take care and goodbye.